Hello everyone. Welcome to the pitch for our group project in Data Focus Python. We are from group 1 in section F2. We will be going, sorry, Career Compass is the name of our project. Next slide, please. We will be going through the vision of our product and the problem that we are trying to solve, the solution that we propose, the market that the product will venture in, the business model of the product, the analysis of the competitors, and the go-to-market strategies. Next slide. The vision of our product is to empower job seekers with detailed insights on job opportunities for informed career decisions. Our team members are these. Next slide.
Yeah. Thank you, Pragyan. So the main customer pain point that we would like to solve through our product is scattered details on skills, immigration support, salaries, and job trends on various websites generally cause wasted efforts and also uncertainty in job seekers on how to upskill. Um the current solutions that are existing in the market are in which job seekers navigate on multiple platforms such as Google, LinkedIn, Indeed, and try to gather expert insights on how to assess skills and how to upskill. Additionally, immigrant job seekers seek US sponsorship by consulting current employees, HR departments, company websites, and USCIS for past sponsorship details. And also, these job seekers do a lot of research that involves scouring government websites to analyze the job trends across departments. So these are the current solutions that we have, and these are the current ways in which job seekers try to find jobs, assess on how to upskill, assess on how to find if a company is sponsoring sponsorship or not. Next slide, please. So we think that this system that is currently existing is broken for the following reasons. One is fragmented data. Two is it is time consuming. Three is that it limited visibility, and four is no centralized source. When we first come to the first one, fragmented data. So assessing skills and across various websites becomes challenging due to scattered information. And then it is time consuming because manual evaluation and research to analyze the job skills required makes the job seeking journey cumbersome. And three is limited visibility. So, incomplete or outdated sponsorship information on various company websites hampers decision making for immigrant job seekers. And finally, no centralized source. So, since there are many websites already, it will be getting difficult for the job seekers in tracking different job trends, and let it be in government or private, due to the absence of centralized information hub. And next, we'll be talking about our solution, and Amogh will be taking over.
Okay, so our solution includes data gathering from various websites to analyze skills, salaries, H1B sponsorship data, and other job insights, where we will first of all look at the job descriptions and go through the skills that are in demand and skills that should be there in our profiles, or we should upskill ourselves according to those lists. Then, apart from that, we will have salary trends for every job position and different experience levels. We will have a clarity on H1B sponsorships, and we will have job market insights and locality of the jobs. Our proposition is mainly the cost efficiency part, where we cut the expenses associated with misinformed decisions. So let's say if we are going on to any website for job applications, we don't have clarity on what skills are needed for that particular position. So we will have those insights more effectively. Second is to save time. This will reduce our application, our product will reduce the time spent on job seeking journey for our users. Third is informed decisions, where we empower users with instant and essential insights for impactful career moves. And this will have various factors such as job locations, salary insights, and various skills needed for that particular job for various experience levels. Now I will demo the application. So our applications dashboard looks something like this, where we mention some few details of our application and the data sources that we used for the jobs data, and then for here we have all the categories listed in different tabs. First, if we go to H1B sponsorship information, we have listed down top 10 companies that have offered H1B visa for this particular position, which is business analyst for this instance. If we go through all this data, we will see which companies have given the H1B visa sponsorships for candidates. Second is job locations. Here we have similar kind of drop down for different positions, and we have two types of visualizations in heat map and scatter plot. So if we want to see if what is the locality of civil engineers in United States, then we can clearly see from the job postings that are given on Indeed through these plots. Third is skills. So here what we do is we go through the job descriptions and find out which skills are in demand recently for every job position and for every experience level. And these skills are again classified into these five categories, namely skills, tools, languages, databases. So relevant categories have been listed down and top skills are shown here. Next is salary data, where we have similar kind of drop down for job positions and experience levels, where we can clearly visualize what is the salary range for different job positions for which levels for all the similar data that we have. This is a different data source for government jobs where we mention these five positions, and for each position we give number of jobs. This is a count per department offered by that department. So these are available number of jobs according to that department, and this is a list of top 10 jobs, top 10 departments that offer these jobs. Next we will go to the market and Prakhar will take over.
Thanks, Amogh. So basically, when we come to the market, our target customers are college
You're on
graduates.
mute.
Our target market is college graduates and employees. Just to give you a number, there are 17 million college graduates as of in October 2023, and there are 134.56 million registered employee. I would like to take your attention towards the graph at right, which the trend shows that there have been increasing number of full-time employees, full-time jobs, which shows that our market is only gonna get bigger from here. Next slide. One of the key drivers of what we understood were key drivers for our market was there is a inherent need of career and skill development in today's environment. The second thing is that given the workplace, the dynamic nature of the workplace, there's always a change in in-demand skills. As an individual, you also have a desire that you learn and grow new things over time. And finally, there is a lot of economic uncertainty, which is forcing people to drive and upskill themselves. Next slide. For our business model, we have calculated the ad revenue per month to be $100. This was based on the assumption of 5,000 people visiting our product for the first month. For our subscription, we utilized value-based pricing model to create a pro subscription per month of $10. We have kept it on the lower side to ensure that we get higher volume of customers, and that's going to be our strategy to garner market share. And then we calculated our average order value to be $11. Next slide. As far as our competitors go, we don't currently have a direct competitor, but we have a lot of indirect competitors with a lot of job search websites like LinkedIn, CareerStop. What makes us different from all these people is that given our comprehensive data, we can tell you about in-demand skills. We can place a hand over what would be the emerging job trends, and we could give you personalized salary ranges, which an average user would spend a lot of time to get, thus helping you to make smarter career decisions. Next slide. Finally, for us, our go-to-market strategy is The first, the customer acquisition strategy is that we would like to start gaining market share by by utilizing our content, like content marketing and garnering share from community. We would look out for partnerships with university, colleges, consultants, recruiters. This will also help us to expand our network. One of our in terms of numeric milestones, we figure out that we need to keep a milestone that our monthly active user and paid subscriber base should increase 20% year on year. And as you saw in the current demo, we would want to implement 2 new features. And some of our key drivers would be the conversion rate from free to paid subscription and number of monthly active users, which would be using our pro or subscription feature. That was a basic demo from for our project. Thank you so much.